guys, how's it going? Today we're reviewing the 2009 Toyota RAV4 Sport. This will be a full in-depth review and show the interior and exterior of the car. This review is partially thankful to myself for lending me this vehicle today to review. It's a nice car. And without further ado, let's start it up and let it run. Alright, so let's open her up and see what's on the inside. The car's color is a ice white with a black leather interior. It chirps when your seatbelt's not. Anyway, as you can see here, you have automatic windows, all four windows, lock, child lock. You have your basic radio setup, on, off, volume button to tune it. All nice things here. You have your thermostat and to adjust the temperature, and your basic knob right there. Park, reverse, neutral, fourth gear, third gear, second gear, and low gear, of course. Your emergency brake in case you need that. Alright. Another good thing about the RAV is that it's got plenty of room. As you can see, 2 passengers, another 3 passengers, and a lot of room in the back. But if you even need more room, there is fold down seating, so you can have plenty of room for whatever you need to carry. And then if you still need more room, underneath this mat, you lift this up and there's more. And we'll check out the trunk. Here's the trunk. It's very nice, very spacious. As I was saying earlier, you lift this mat up, there's room for an extra tire, presumably. Well, not an extra tire, just extra room. It's very nice. Cup holders and whatever you need to put over here. Another cup holder, and you put little knickknacks in there. Inside here, a tire changing kit. There's your jack, and with that you should be able to change your tire just fine. The wheels that come with are 16-inch wheels with 5 spokes and nice disc brakes. You can see the Toyota logo on the wheel. Nice thick tires. Usually on cars like these you'd see thin tires. It's a sports car, but this you have nice thick ones, so you're not going to run out of rubber anytime soon. Even though it's a sports car, it still has an extra tire on the back in this. You can see a tire right here. It's nice because you just, whenever you need a tire, you don't have to look under your car or go into it. It's right outside for your convenience. And of course there is a rack on the top to carry whatever you need. Surfboard, bicycles, extra gear if you're going on a camping trip. This car comes with it all. As you can see, the front of the car is very beautiful, and on the top there's a sunroof. See outside and up. This car is it's got family in mind, but it's also got speed on its mind, so it is ready to go anywhere. This RAV4 is different because it has a V6 engine, 3.5 liter V6 engine actually, that turns out 269 horses. It does about 19 miles per gallon on the road and about 27 on the highway, which is about right. The other RAV4s have 4 cylinders. This is a little bit more sporty. That's the reason why it's called the Sport. Anyway, let's check out the revs on this piece. this has been the 2009 RAV4 Sport. As you can see, it's a very beautiful car. It's nice. It's got plenty of horsepower, plenty of speed, what you need, that's for sure. Anyway, I hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you.